Hello everyone, today I am sharing with you my Beebeecraft design package for December, and we're starting off with something I'm really looking forward to using, and that is, here we go, two-piece die set, and they are chandeliers. And that is what they look like. Aren't they lovely? Oh, so that will be a lovely addition to my journals and things like that. I love chandeliers, so that's the first thing I received, two-piece die set. The second thing I received was this lovely trim. It's like a beigey color flower trim. It's like 20 yards. Look at that. And it's nice and flat. Just trying to find the end of it, but there we go. I'll just take it off like that. It's, well, oh, I think that's it there. Okay. So it almost feels like paper, but it's not. It's satin. But nice and flat. Isn't that lovely? So that will be wonderful to use as well. So that's the next thing I got. 20 yards. That's a huge amount, isn't it? Okay. That's my second item. So the next thing I got were these 4 rolls of chiffon fabric, which are very useful. I have had chiffon fabrics before. I love to use them for my ties on my journals, but they also make great ruffles as well, being chiffon. And such pretty colours. Look at those lovely colours. Aren't they just beautiful? Ballerina pink. Just beautiful. So that was the next thing that I received. Now the next ones I'm going to show you are all metals. So that will be interesting this month. The first thing is this. And this is in the colour Antique Bronze. It's called a Rolo chain. And there's about 10 meters of this. So that's what that looks like. So very happy with that. And the next thing, this is a package of spacer beads, and I think, how many are in here? It says 100 grams, and there's about 20 different styles of random spacer beads, also in the antique bronze colour. Can you, oh, it's a bit glary, isn't it? Alright, let me just, sprinkle a few in here to give you an idea. There we go. Is that any better? So lots of different sizes. So they're quite tiny, and they've got almost a faceted kind of shape to them. They're a little bit different again. Don't know what shape that is, but it's interesting. Then you've got the typical kind of things, and then these lovely oblong, and then, you know, this sort of thing, and flower sizes, shapes. We've also got that. So lots of variety there in those spacer beads. I'll pop those back in there so they don't get everywhere. Okay, and so the next thing is, it's just there. Okay, so, ooh, look at that. We have the silver, the antique silver, and then the silver. And I'm trying to think, they're 20 gauge, mixed colour, and they're 75 millimeters. Oh, look at that. That's like a nice dark grey. Then we have the antique bronze. We have the copper colour. And then we have the gold. I think it's like a gunmetal colour, that one. So that's wonderful. So always handy to have those. The next thing is a package of jewellery findings. And let's just open up this. And in here, it's a 440 piece set. So in here, and I've had these in different colours, but I didn't have one in the antique bronze. So you get large jump rings. And you get, they go smaller again. I don't know the exact size of them. And then smaller again. And then we have, oh, look at these. These are those little end things that you can put on your rhinestone chain or cording and things like that. See that? And then you bend it over and it holds onto them. So little like ribbon end type things. And then there's, oh, look at that. That's so tiny. That's the little thing for the ball and chain, I think. Is that what that is? They're so tiny. And then we have ribbon ends. These are the little clips. And there's in 3 different sizes. So you have this size here, which is probably 3/4 of an inch, I'm thinking. Oh no, it's like 5/8. 5/8 of an inch. And then they come down in size again to there. Really sweet. And then smaller again there. All in the antique bronze. And here we have some chain. Oh, nice. Is it? I think it's chain. Let's have a look. So little chains, great for charms and things like that. So they must be like pre-cut chain. Yes, they are, look. Oh, that's handy, isn't it? And slightly different to this one as well, which is nice. Okay, very good. And then lastly in here, we have some little lobster clasps as well. So it's a great little kit. Very good. Okay, so that's the end of the metal things. The next thing I received were these absolutely beautiful pearls. Shell pearl beads. It's a strand. And 49 to 50 pieces on the strand, but look at the colours. Aren't they just beautiful? So lovely. The size of the bead is 8mm, so a really nice size. Absolutely beautiful, that is. Just lovely. Very happy with that. Leave that out. And then lastly, oh my goodness, wait till you see this. This is amazing. I'll just have to undo the package. So that was definitely well packaged and took me quite some time to get into as well, but very worthwhile. So in here I have nothing is going to get broken in this package. These beautiful glass chandelier crystals. Aren't they lovely? Look at that. In my last, I think one of my last videos, I said I only had like one chandelier crystal left from Beebeecraft. And now I have 50 chandelier crystals. Look at that. This is a lifetime for me. This is wonderful. And aren't they beautiful? They measure, I'll do it with my ruler, approximately 1.5 inches by 1 inch. Is that right? Yeah, 1.5 by about 1. And they're probably 1/2 inch wide or deep, and I can give you that in millimeters too if you want. So it's 36mm by 22mm, 22.5mm by 11mm. Beautiful, lovely facets in it, so they're going to be wonderful to play with. So many crystals. Absolutely beautiful and very well packaged. There we go. Very well packaged. Did take some getting into, but it's worth it because you don't want them broken. So that's my design package for the month of December. So I hope you'll join me. I'll be making 2 projects with these beautiful items over the next couple of weeks. So thank you everybody for watching. Take care now. Bye.